So today I'm going to be doing a dramatic look makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a clean face. I'm going to use my Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion as my base today. I love this stuff. Just a little bit of that. Rub it on all over. My skin is really dry right now because of the weather, so this really helps when I wear makeup. And just bring it down on your neck a little bit. Okay. Once that's all rubbed in, I'm going to be doing my foundation. Today I'm going to be using Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush Effect Foundation, and it is in the shade Natural Beige. It kind of has a shimmer in it. I think that's what the airbrush effect does, but I really like it. I'm a fan. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on. I'm going to take my beauty blender, damp, don't forget, and just kind of dab it all over. I feel like my face is a lot paler than my rest of my body, so I kind of do a darker foundation, especially in the summer when I do wear makeup anyways. Dab it in, make sure it's blended really good. This look I'm going to be doing today is going to be good for like going out or like having a special occasion you have to go to, anything like that. I mean, or you can wear it whenever you want. Get under your eyes real good. And blend down on your neck. Okay, now that that's all blended in, I'm going to do a concealer, the Age Rewind in the shade Neutralizer. It's very lightweight and really goes with any skin tone. So I just dot under my eyes, nose, chin, Cupid's bow, forehead, and then any other spot you want to correct. I'm gonna do a little bit right here. That's scary. Okay, so I'm gonna take my beauty blender again. That way it has that leftover foundation so you don't get like such a strong light color. It'll blend it in with your other foundation. I'm going to bring that up on my lids too because I'm going to be wearing eyeshadow and then this will be a good base for it. Let's press it in really well. Okay, now once that's all blended, we are going to bake. Mary Kay translucent powder, my favorite. Just gonna put a little bit of this on my beauty blender, place it under my eyes like this. forehead, chin in, my nose a little bit. Wherever you get oily, just put it there. Let that sit for a couple minutes, and then take a fluffy powder brush and just dust it off. It'll give you a matte finish. Okay, so there's our kind of base, our foundation base. Now next we are going to start with our eyes. Now I'm going to be using several colors out of my Naked 2 Urban Decay palette. Looks like this. And then the colors inside are like bronze, coppers, and silvers. Like this. Whoops. Like that. They're really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to be using, as a base on my eyes, I'm going to be using, it's called Booty Call. It is this color right here. I'm going to just layer a coat of that on my lids. It's like a cream, shimmery cream color. Now this look, you can literally wear anything with. It'll go with a lot of things. Okay. Bring it into your inner eye, the corner of your inner eye. It'll give you a pretty bright eye will pop. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the Booty Call color. Next we're going to be using the Chopper. That's what it's called. It's this gold one right here. It's like a bronzy brown kinda. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that in my crease and on the outer corner. And then just blend it out. I love these eyeshadows because they're super sparkly. And they're so fun. Okay, and then the other eye. Just start in the crease, blend it out, and then blend it in a little bit. The more you blend, the better it will look. I promise you that. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is show you what it looks like now. Super pretty. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take a, just like a simple blending brush and put a little more of that copper color on. And just start in the outer corner and blend, so you don't have a too sharp of a line there. Okay. And next I am going to be doing a white. I just take this white color right here, rub it on my finger, and then I take it from the corner of my eye and just drag it. And then I do that with both eyes. Just drag it like that. Okay, it looks really bad right now. So now you're gonna take that blending brush again and just kind of pull it in. It'll help brighten your eyes again. Okay, there's our final eye look. And we're gonna finish up our face by using the Rose Rust Blush and Glow. With my highlighter brush that I use. And just apply this to the apples of your cheeks and blend it outward. Okay, and then we're gonna add a little bit of highlighter onto our nose, Cupid's bow, and brow bones. The MAC Soft and Gentle. It's a pink rose gold color. Looks like that. I just apply this with a puffy eyeshadow brush. So I'm gonna do right here, my cheekbones a little bit. Right down my nose. My brow bone. And my Cupid's bow. Okay, so here is the final face look. I am going to add a little bit of lip color. It's called Tarte Lip Paint. It's actually a mini one. I have it as a sample and I love it. It is in the color, it doesn't even have a color. It's like a pink, dark pink. I don't know if you can see, it looks like that. So I'm just gonna put this on my lips real quick. Alright, so here is the final look. Eyes, face, lips. Thank you for watching.